is going on? Doc's Game back for another video, and today we're going to be doing, as the title says, we're going to be doing a Gunna type beat. We're gonna do this thing, add some guitars, add some melodies, add some drums, and produce some heat. So as always, don't forget your fire extinguishers. I'm gonna hit on my computer, hop on Omnisphere, and so let's get this thing going, man. Omnisphere. Okay, so let's find us a guitar melody. Ooh, I think, guys, I don't even play the piano. Okay, I don't even play the piano. All right. Let's look for that new guitar, shall we? All right. That is the. Why is that a? Whatever, man. All right, let's look for something else. There's a lot of clashing with that, so I don't think that one either. That sounds like me when I'm playing the guitar, but no. I like that so much. I'm probably gonna use it anyway. Let's just look for some more. I like that one too. I like that one a lot too. So you know what? I got an idea. All right, let's do this. Oh yeah, and by the way, did you like the video yet? I don't know if you did. Because I'm gonna be really offended if you didn't. So go ahead and like the video. Because if you haven't already, like what are you doing? Like the video and subscribe. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Just like the video and subscribe. Like not too hard. Come on. Alright, so like I found something kind of interesting. Okay, it sounds weird, but I feel like I can do something with it, so I'm gonna keep it for now. But yeah, I just want to experiment a little bit, just a little bit. But you know, here's what it sounds like. Yo, that just puts me in such a good mood. I don't know why. I just really like that melody. But let's continue. Alright, I'm moving on to the drums now. I changed up the melody a little bit, but you'll see all that later. Alright, so yeah, let's go to the drums. I'm gonna start with the hi-hats. Let's open up this in the new channel. Let's do it, dude. Alright, so hi-hats. I just lay down the basic hi-hat and snare, and I'm just gonna add the 808 now just because I just can't wait. And I'm gonna go back to the melody. Don't worry, I'm gonna go back and add more stuff, but don't worry. All right, do not worry. Sit tight.
Thousand years later.
Okay guys, so 808 pattern is done. It's a bit different now. I don't normally make 808 patterns this simple, but I was like, you know what, a lot of 808 patterns I hear nowadays are very, very simple. I mean, most beats are very simple, but 808 patterns are normally really simple. I don't really make mine kind of complex. So I was like, you know what, let me just add a simple, 3-note 808 pattern, and, well, technically 6 notes, but whatever. I added it and it sounded pretty damn fire. So here's what you get so far. That's hard, right? I know it is. I know. Thank you. But yeah, let's continue, man. I'm gonna just continue. I'm gonna add the kicks, and then I'm gonna go back to the hi-hats. Then, you know what? Let's just do this, man. I don't know. Let's do it. Okay, so real quick, you guys ever have like an epiphany and like, you know what I'm saying, you just have some crazy melody that just appears in your head? Or am I just the only crazy one? Okay, maybe I might be the only crazy one, but something just happened in my head and I just found it, and I'm gonna do that right now. So sit tight real quick. Hold on there, little buddy. I think it's almost done. It's not done yet. It is not done yet, okay? Believe me, it is close. It is close, but not quite. So, what do we have to do? What do we have to do, guys? We have to edit the hi-hats just a little bit. I have to do that, you know what I'm saying? We always gotta do that. Then I gotta add some perks because, you know what I'm saying, I want the drums to bounce, add a little bit of bounce to them perks. So I'm gonna do that. And then of course mix it. Oh yeah, I need to add a snare to layer to the clap just to piss some people off. And yeah, I think I just gotta mix it and I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna be done. So let's do the hi-hats now and be done with it. Okay guys, so you know, I just want to show you the hi-hats before I continue because I did something different finally with the hi-hats. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you the drums. I'm not gonna. Oh, did I even show you the flute yet? I didn't even show you the flute. I'm not gonna show you the flute yet. I'm gonna do that later. but here's what the hi-hats sound like. But yeah, all right, let's continue. Okay. Beat is done. It is ready to be presented. Well, actually, no, it's not, because I need to mix it and level and do all that stuff. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do that stuff, and yeah, I'm probably gonna add a little bit of tweaks to like the melody and stuff. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I'm see y'all in a bit.
3 weeks later.
Alright, y'all, so the beat is finally done. I think it turned out pretty nicely. If you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm serious, subscribe to the channel, okay? We're so close to 6K. I'm gonna need your help to get there. So I would appreciate it if you subscribe. So yeah, thank you very much once again for watching. And here's the beat, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.